Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix duplicate program icons or shortcut icons in your Windows Start menu. If you see duplicate Office or any other program or app icons and shortcuts in the Windows Start menu, then you may go ahead and try this step to fix the problem. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and delete the duplicate entries from the Start menu folder. To do this, you can copy the path from my video description, do a right click and then click on run, paste the path. So basically you will have to go to this path and click on OK. This will take you to the program's start menu. Now in this list, in case if you see any duplicate icons, you may go ahead and delete them. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on the start menu and check if you are able to see any duplicate icons. Now in case if you don't see a duplicate icons in the location, the next step you could go ahead and do is you can go ahead and reset the tile data layer cache on your computer. To do this, you will have to open command prompt or PowerShell on your computer. Click on the search button. In the search button, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. You will see the best match for the Windows PowerShell. You can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you're on the PowerShell window, you can copy the command from the video description and paste it here. Either you can do a right click, click on edit and paste, or you can use a shortcut icon that is Control V to paste the command. Once this is done, you may go ahead and hit enter to execute this command. You will have to wait for a minute or two to complete this command. Once this command is being successfully executed, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then check if you have multiple entries of program icons in the start menu. Now all the steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you will have to open Notepad on your computer. Once you have the Notepad, you will have to go to my video description, copy the command, paste the command. Once you have this command on the Notepad, you will have to save this command as reset.bat. You can save it as with any, you can save the file with any name, but it has to have the file extension .bat. So I'm going to go to file and then click on save as. Make sure you save this command as .bat. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to save it as reset.bat. Make a note of the path. Once you have saved the file, go to the location where you have saved the file, do a right click and then click on run as administrator. When you are prompted, you may go ahead and click on yes. So what this will do is this will go ahead and kill some of the task manager and the explorer.exe. Now in this process, you might see the task bar or the task bar at the bottom of your screen being disappeared for few seconds, and that should be back in a while. Once that is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer and then click on the start button. You should have this issue resolved. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.